What's up guys, welcome back to another interesting video. So dear friends, today I have bring another hottest crypto meme project that is called APAPI. So dear friends, a new meme combining app and Pappy to symbolize macro investor. The APAPI community aims to bring together and empower micro investors. The community that symbolizes APAPI is worth nothing. So unlike other meme coins, it has built a global, local through multiple partnership. It boasts a large membership and online presence on Telegram, a complex community, and it has more firepower than recent communities like Bread. So they are also close to hitting almost 40,000 users on Telegram, and their fans. They have also partnered with a big project that is called IQ Wiki. Here you can also check out and check all information here. So dear friends, I will explain each and everything related to this amazing project, that how can you buy it, you can hold it, and later you can sell and make a passive income. So don't skip any part of this video. So before going to start further review, I would request you, if you are new on my YouTube channel Cryptosonic, so please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for further notification of all upcoming videos notifications. So let's start the review now. So dear friends, I have placed all official links in my video description. You simply click on it and you will come here. You can join this amazing platform. So unlike many fake meme coins, it is driven by the power of the community and is fully prepared for success. So there is no end to the top. So with the power of app and Pappy, they are trying to reach a new normal. So dear friends, here you can also swap on Uniswap, as well as you can also check out their chart on DexTool, and you can also find out on CoinMarketCap. I recommended to all of you must be follow them on their Twitter account, as well as join their Telegram to get latest news and updates as well. So here is the question, that how to buy APAPI. Here is a simple method. First of all, we need to install MetaMask, deposit Polygon, and then connect your wallet and enter your amount, and you can easily swap it here. Now here we can also check out the exchanges where you can also buy APAPI. Now it is available on Uniswap, and later on it will be available on many more exchanges where you can also swap or buy, you can trade as well. So here we can also check out its token mix detail. You can also check out the total supplies mentioned here. You can also check out the airdrop reservation is 70%, DEX and circulating supply 10%. 10% is up for centralized listing and 10% for reserve. And here you will check out the APAPI burn address. So the after burning, the scarcity can create more powerful and value in this project. Here we can also check out the community detail, and you can learn more real apps of fucking fake memes, and it will knock them all down and raise to the top as well. Now here we can also check out its roadmap. So DFS is step 1, decentralized listing, market cap listing, opening and activation, and community airdrops are included. And in step 2 they will be doing centralized listing. In step 3 they want try the exchange listing on top of memes as well. Now here we can also check out the partners detail who are supporting this project, and the first one is IQ Wiki. So this is an awesome and very strong project who are supporting this project, and here you can also check out all information related to app and Pappy as well. Now here you can also check out its overview and everything related to this amazing project, and you can also learn more information as well. Now here we can also check out its contract, and you can find out their social media link to get latest news and updates. First of all, here we can also check out on CoinMarketCap. You can also check out its current price here. You can also check out its market cap and DFS. You can also check 24-hour volume. Now here we can also check out its price chart as well. So its price making bullish, and you can also participate, and you can also buy it right now. So DFS, you can also check out all information here as well. And now if you come on the DexTool as well, here you can also check out its current price with Wmatic as well, and you can also check out its market cap is $526.48 million, and the liquidity is $2.14 million. And here you can also check out the holders. It's crossed 300 as well, and 3,000 as well, and you can also check out 1.81 million dollar just in 24 hours as well. Here we can also check out its Dexter score is 86 over 99, so it's very pretty and trustable and reliable score. Now you can also invest. A lot of people already trading in this project, and you can also check out that it has made a lot of bullish in some days ago. Now it is ready once again to make a bullish, and it can really help to make a lot of profit in future as well. So definitely, if you want to be buy it right now, you can come on the Uniswap, and you can also find out link in my video description. So first of all, you need to connect your wallet. Dear friends, you can choose your MetaMask, Wallet Connect, Coinbase, and any other wallet in which you have your some balance, and then you can connect here, and you can also choose your token. Like that, you can choose Matic as well, and here you need to enter your amount, how much you want to be spent, and then you can also check out how much a Pappy you can get right here. Now I recommend it to all my community, all my friends, so don't miss this golden chance and must become on Uniswap right now. Connect your wallet and invest some Matic in a Pappy. In future it can really help you make a lot of profit as well. I also recommend it to all of you, so must be follow them on their Twitter account to get latest news and updates related to this amazing project. And here you can also check that BitGet is a rapidly expanding crypto project that boosts a low gas fee blockchain, centralized, and a lot of more. So BitGet join the Pappy here as well. Now here you can also check out their previous tweets as well. Now I also recommend it to all of you, must be join its Telegram group to get latest news and updates, as well as you can also attract with their growing and active community as well. So now I also recommend it to all of you, so must be subscribe its Telegram channel to get latest news and updates related to this amazing project. And Pappy allow members to form a community and receive rewards here. So must be active here in their social media to get latest news and updates as well. So dear friends, this project have a massive potential inside, and it can really help make a lot of profit in future as well. So don't miss this golden chance and must be invest in this project right now. I also, if you like this video, share with your friends. See you in next video. Thanks for watching.